a short season, not too many from seeds. I bought a couple from Home Depot and another nursery I found. This bed got some crosses, and this is Orion, I think, and there's a couple more Orions over there. I think these three are some of mine. This is Gapy's Grub, Tangerine Tiger. Got some little paws there. I'm not sure. No, they have a pointy end. This is this one. This is Kang's Starling. There's another two back there. Here, each the four corners are bell peppers. This is a red habanero, I believe. Yep, that's a red hab. And on each side of it are ghost. This is a red ghost pepper. These four here might be my crosses. Here's stuff I got from Home Depot. These are Bonnie plants. I got shishito here. I should eat at least these three and let maybe all five. Let the plant grow a little more. This was called hot burrito. Put out some bigger pots than I thought. There's a lanternfly. Assholes are shooting them. This Serrano. Another tangerine tiger. Another tangerine tiger. This is Starling. Hell's bells. A little smaller. This is Batman pineapple. Another two Orion. And this is one of the seedlings I threw aside, and while I was separating, and replanting, I kind of felt bad about throwing out a couple, and I used to make compost somewhere. There's kind of a round planter in there, and I would just dump the compost, and I threw this plant there, and I just looked one day, and it was doing good, so I took it out and repotted. These are more plants, more Bonnie plants. This was just no, actually, it wasn't a Bonnie plant. This is labeled chili red. Got some ripe on there. I'll tasting that one soon, see what it's like. This was the Apache, and another, I don't know, it started looking to me like cherries, but I don't remember buying a cherry. I think this was another, like, with similar simple chili red type name, I guess. But this is a jalapeno. This bed I scorched a lot. Like, these little things were like dead, and they came back. I think when I laid down this weed fabric, I pinned it under the first layer. See what I did there? But I kind of flexed it, so I created like this pocket. The weed block was lifted, and that was I could hold my hand there and feel the hot air coming. It made like this freaking oven, and it really ruined everything. That's a Fresno, and obviously these came as replacements for the ones that didn't even make it. I might still pull these out. I don't know. So yeah, and of course, somehow I got poison ivy there. Uh, I'm smothering them, and I'm gonna have to pull them out. No idea how I get poison ivy back here, but apparently I'm immune because I got all these strawberries growing around, and I've been walking in slippers, around there, and I'm pretty sure I have pulled uh, that poison ivy with my bare hands. I I ran the weed whacker all over that crap just the other day before it happened, but my lady got the reaction, and it was pretty bad. Nothing on me. So yeah, this is what I got going. Keep you updated on progress. My cucumbers and tomatoes are against the fence there.